In this video, I'm unboxing Fiio FT1 Pro. After the highly successful Fiio FT1, they have launched the FT1 Pro, and unlike the Fiio FT1 which had a 60 dynamic driver, this one is housing a planar driver. If I'm not wrong, it has a 96 or 98 planar driver. We will look into the specification, but its impedance, its resistance and stuff are a lot less than the FT1. This one has an impedance of just 20 ohm, and sensitivity is slightly lower at 95 dB, but that is not bad at all. 95 dB is not loud enough. Let me be very clear. Stuff in this price range can be fairly sensitive with higher sensitivity, but this one is not. So we will look into the Fiio FT1 Pro, priced at $200. This one is going head on against a handful of headphones in this price range. There is barely any information about this on the box. Not new, to be precise. Not new at all. We have seen that kind of stuff from brands. Come on. These boxes at times are kind of stubborn. It comes with the exactly same kind of case, and it comes with the same dual cable setup too, but this time around it is a open back headphone with planar drivers. I'm going to use this cable only, so I will not take out the other cable. It looks exactly same, but this is the balanced cable, while that one is a single-ended cable. I do not need to use the single-ended cable, so I'll show you guys this. Exactly same cable, nothing different. If you have a FT1, you will know exactly the type of cable this is. This is decent, nothing wrong with it. There is nothing fancy about it. Now, what else? Nothing. There is a 1/4-inch adapter and a silica gel. So exactly same case and exactly same kind of build, but this time around they do not have a wooden back cup, and this one is metal. I can tell you this one is metal. Exactly same kind of hinge and headband quality. Exactly same. Looks nice. Fiio FT1. Same shape, but this one is metal. Exactly same kind of build. I will include the initial impression here in this video. So this is it. This is the unboxing of Fiio FT1 Pro. I had a good listening session with the Fiio FT1 Pro. This one is a perfect follow-up to a highly capable headphone. FT1 was a closed back dynamic driver based headphone. Yep, it had a huge dynamic driver, but this one too is not small at all, housing 95 by 86 planar drivers. This one is priced slightly expensive at $200, $200 or $10, I think. And in my sense of knowledge, okay, this is a perfect upgrade to the Fiio FT1. I I like the FT1, but that did had flaws. Okay, it was like slightly lacking with the sub bass. The bass was slightly monotonous, and the treble was slightly lacking depth. I kind of felt that FT1 was good, but its dynamics and stuff were not great. Its technicalities were slightly lacking, which is not the case with the FT1 Pro. This one is very capable, very good sub bass extension, very good depth. Imaging is a bit more cleaner, a bit more clearer, and has very good air between instruments too. Treble has improved a lot, and I am liking the bass too. Yes, yes, the mid range isn't slightly forward anymore. While the FT1 was a bit more focused on the mid range, its mid range clarity was very good, very cohesive. This one is a bit more on the accurate side. Yet, this as a whole sounds fantastic. You guys can see angled pads, and exactly same build quality, exactly same cable, exactly same case. But thanks to the sapphire driver, you guys can see the blue planar drivers are the cause of the increased price, and this is totally worth it. 100%. If you are looking for a headphone around this price range, just simply go for this one. Now, what this one has is metal metal mesh here. It is good, does not look as classy as the FT1, which had wooden cups. Metal all around, metal, everything is metal, exactly same padding, slightly slightly more cushiony, slightly thicker, and this one definitely is worth the extra money. So if you are looking for a headphone, especially planar based headphone around $200, this is an excellent option. uh, keep keep your eye on the review, standalone review. And it's not like I use anything special. Okay, I used the Fiio FT1, and this one is sounding excellent. You guys can see the impedance is fairly low at 20 ohm, or I think 18 ohm. So this tiny DAC amp is capable enough to drive this one to amazing levels, to be precise. So you guys can pair it with nearly anything and extract fantastic sound quality out of it. So this is my initial impression of the Fiio FT1 Pro. I will compare it with Deconi Blue. I have the Sivga Answer 2. So this is it. This is my initial impression of Fiio FT1 Pro. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.